Hello guys, today we are going to be unboxing Nightmare Freddy. If you don't know Five Nights at Freddy's, then this video is probably not for you. So, first thing we do is cut open this. Remember, you need adults around you, which is why we have adult right behind that screen. Now we're about to unbox it. There. Now the best thing to do is to open this, close it back, and then you put it back in here, close it, put the Freddy next to it, and you got your Nightmare Freddy. Remember, always hold this like this on the blade part.
What's up, guys?
Bye!
Bye.